Namaste. In this video tutorial, we will talk about prime numbers, which is under the topic factors and multiples. Numbers can be of any type. The first one is even number. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. It means when we divide a number by 2, I will get remainder 0. If I divide 10, 12 and 2 with 2, I will get remainder 0. Then that numbers are called even numbers. In case of odd numbers, if we divide a number with 2, I will get some remainders. For example, if I divide 9 by 2, I will get remainder 1. Same with 11, 13 and 15. These numbers are called odd numbers. The other category is prime numbers and composite number. In this video tutorial, we will talk about prime numbers and composite number. Now, prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, either 1 or number itself. It means it has no other factor. It means that number is not divisible by any other number except 1 or number itself. In this example, like 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, all these numbers are only divisible by 1 or numbers itself. So these all numbers are prime number. Here 2 is only even prime number, rest of all are odd prime numbers. The counterpart of this is composite number. These are those numbers which have more factors besides 1 and number itself. For example, 2. It is divisible by 1 and 4 and other is 2. It means the number which has other factors except 1 and number itself are the factor of every number. So besides these factors, it has more other factors that are called the composite number. To clear this concept more, we are taking some example. Here we have to check whether this 121 is a prime number or not. To check it 122 prime number or not, 1 and 121, that's a number, 1 and number itself, these all are the factors of every number, so we are not checking this one. I will check from 2 to 120. I will divide 121 from 2 to 120, all numbers from 2 to 120, but it becomes very cumbersome task if I check I divide this 121 by all numbers from 2 to 120. So its shortcut method is, I'm taking square root of 121. We know that is equal to 11. It means I will only check that 121 is divisible by 2 to 11. If any number from 2 to 11 divides 121, it means that 121 is not prime number. So we will try to divide 121 with 2. We know it will give some remainder. Same with 3, 4. Same with, I will check it with 5, 6, 7 up to 11. We know 121 is divisible by 11. So 121 is not prime number. I don't need to check all numbers up to 120. So this number is not prime number. Now I'm going to check 25. Again I'm taking square root of 25, that is the 5. 5 into 5, that is the 25 square root. I will check it with 2, 3, 4 and 5, up to 5. We know 25 is divisible by 5, so 25 is not prime number. Now the task becomes very easy. We are just checking it with 4 numbers and we are saying this is prime or not. Now I am going to check 13. First I will calculate the square root of 13. I will not get the exact number, but we know I will get a number which is greater than equal to 13. So here I will take 4 into 4, that is the 16. Means if I get the square root of 16, I will get 4. 16 is greater than equal to 13. So I will check 13 by 2, 3 and 4. 13 is not divisible by 2, 3 and 4. So 13 is prime number. If I am not getting the square root, it means I will check it from 2 to 12. I am going to check 127 is a prime or not prime. I am taking the square root of 127, but I will not get the exact number. So here we know 11 into 11, that is a 121. I will not take the smaller number, so here I will take 12 into 12, that is a 144, which is greater than 127. So I will check 127 with 2 to 12. (127) is checked with 2. I will divide 127 with 2. It will not divisible. With 3, again it is not divisible. 4, same as up to 12. It is not divisible by any number from 2 to 12. So 127 is prime number. So by taking this square root, we can make a tough task or cumbersome task easy. This is how we can check whether the number is prime or not.